Is it possible that this seed oil is good for your skin? Of course, seed oils have gotten such a bad rap, and we know and we hear that all the time, but this one could be actually really helpful for your skin and the beauty of your skin and help to slow down maybe the hands of time. Okay, so let's talk about some of the attributes of raspberry seed oil. I've got 4 major things that I love to use this for in terms of my beauty routine. Okay, number 1 on the list, raspberry seed oil is a natural anti-inflammatories. It is loaded with antioxidants, but also healthy fats, omega-3 and 6 fats, really helpful for that proper hydration of the skin. Okay, number 2, I love that raspberry seed oil also contains natural antioxidants, vitamin A, and we know that retinols are great for our skin, but now this is naturally occurring vitamin A and vitamin E as well, another important antioxidant helping to fight against free radical damage, and also has a helpful effect when you have some natural sunlight exposure, which goes along with number 3 on my list, that raspberry seed oil is and has a natural sunscreen effect as well. And number 4, the great thing about this, if you are an acne sufferer or you do have clogged pores, this will not clog your pores, and it's a great moisturizer if you do have inflammatory things happening on your skin like that chronic acne. Now, for more information about that natural sunscreen recipe, please check out how to make natural homemade sunscreen. This is my famous recipe. You're going to love it. I'll see you there.